My wife said she wasn't afraid of the new setup on Iron Man. She said she wasn't afraid. So y'all know what I'm finna do? We finna go out here, we finna see what happens. God is everything.
Without God, nothing.
Before we get into the ride, I have taken my wife out twice before this. First time we went out, she made me tap my transmission. Might be mess them up. Oh shit, we need to be back to the high. And Showtime transmission reached out to me. He said, "Hey brother, let's partner up. Let's do so." Got my transmission back from Showtime transmission. Everything else was completely the same. Took her out, and she said, "Oh, it's a little better. It's a little better." Oh, threw your head back that time. Oh yeah, baby. Threw your head back that time, too. Huh? Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir, baby. But she still wasn't like shook up or nothing, so I said, okay, let me do a rematch. All right, so for my guys who are new here, this is still a 350. All I did was add flat top pistons and a cam. Last time I didn't have a cam or anything. Showtime transmission and 342 gears in the rear with a posi unit. That's all that's different. Iron Man ain't sitting up like a 4x4 no more. We sitting a little lower now. Let me get, you know, it's a work in progress, so you know it might be a little mess in here, but don't worry about that.
More than a mess.
No, it ain't that bad. You can get in there now. Remember you couldn't get in there when it was up. Let me put the seatbelt on for you. Let me see what we got right here. Cause you gonna need this seatbelt, like I tell you. Like I tell you, every time you get in here, you gonna need that seatbelt.
Lies you tell.
What you thinking? Huh? 2 packs? Hear that supercharger?
Shit.
Huh?
I don't know, you got some weird signs. You sure it's gonna be fast?
You hear, listen, just listen. What you think, now?
I mean, nothing different.
Come on, now.
My Honda could beat it.
We'll see.
Yeah. See, that's why you got the little, what's his name called?
Fire extinguisher just for safety.
No.
Everybody.
It ain't worth 2 seats.
Everybody needs a fire extinguisher in their car. Don't do that.
Okay.
We warming up. Let it warm up for a second. We finna go do what we finna do. Nice and quiet, ain't it? Nice and quiet. Seatbelt. Let's ride. Woo! Don't do that. Don't do Iron Man like that. You weren't impressed the last time, which is why we got to do this. I really didn't want to do this. I don't feel like we had to do this, but I mean simply because you weren't impressed the last time, and I feel like Iron Man is 2-3 times faster than it was before. We got to go do this. We gotta go do it. Now let me ask you this. What did you think the very last time you rode it, if you can remember? Can you remember? What did you think?
Nothing.
Nothing? Like, whatever.
Nothing special.
got. Don't worry. Here we go. One of the money. What you thinking?
They said it's fast. I give you that now. Whatever you did, actually.
Before you said your Honda was faster, so what your Honda do now?
I mean, I still gotta give it to my Honda though.
Okay, all right.
I gotta be team.
I tell you what we might have to
It'll
do.
be a close call.
Nah,
It'll be like.
We'll just race. We'll just race.
I mean, we don't have to.
No, we'll race.
We don't have to race. I don't want to embarrass you. So we don't have to race, y'all. We can just leave it at this. Because, I mean, I don't want him to cry.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in to another one, man. Nothing just wouldn't go right today. I couldn't get it. People, too much traffic going on right now. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're gonna go out. We're gonna do a part 2, man. Comment down below part 2 if you want a part 2, because we gotta redo it. Even though I got what I need, I gotta